They found out that businesses could spend up to 5 times longer losing a sale than actually winning a sale.
Wow.
And that comes down to poor qualification.
Welcome back, Wayne.
Thanks, John.
Last time we discussed waste and how to look for and eliminate waste in the sales process, part of the lean selling process. One of the things you touched on was the waste in working on opportunities that never go anywhere, that never get to a conclusion.
Yeah, look, I mean, people can waste time on opportunities that are really should be qualified out early. Interesting statistic came up last year. Ernst & Young here in Australia did some research on sales processes and on sales individuals. And they found out that businesses could spend up to 5 times longer losing a sale than actually winning a sale.
Wow.
And that comes down to poor qualification.
I guess it does.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I'm as guilty as a lot. I've worked on a lot of deals in the past, and
Haven't we all?
Yeah, multi-million-dollar deals, and that work on for a year or two, and we lose it, and we go back and look at why we lost it, and either we shouldn't have been there in the first place, or we got our strategy wrong.
Look, it comes down. You can really break it down to 4 very simple questions. Is there an opportunity? Can you compete? Can you win? And is it worth winning? And they're 4 simple questions that I carry with me on every opportunity that I look at.
Great
every
questions.
time I talk to a prospect.
Yeah, great questions. I think I've heard you call it something.
Yeah, look, I turned that into an acronym banter, and that really just comes down to budget. Is there money allocated to the project that you're looking at, and is there authority to spend that? And that leads into authority. Are you dealing with influencers and decision makers? And bear in mind, this may change throughout the sales cycle. The person you start dealing with as an influencer may need to change to be the decision maker.
So qualification, not a once-off exercise early in the sales process, is a continuing process.
Absolutely. The same as with need. So we get BAN and the need. That need could change slightly as well, because as you move through the individuals that are involved in that decision-making process, you may find and uncover that they've got slightly different needs to the person you were talking to before. But are you delivering something that will solve a problem that they've got?
It's tough for a sales guy, though, isn't it? You know, I've got a deal that I'm working on. You know, I've been already invested a few months and whatever. It's tough to make that decision to say, hey, let go, find another one in the funnel.
Yeah, you've got to make those tough calls. But that comes down to the timeliness as well. You know, does the client have a time frame for purchase? You may have heard it referred to as a compelling event.
I call it a compelling event all the time.
Yeah. So, is there a time frame to purchase? Now, if there's not, and there's no compelling event, maybe it's time to cut your losses and get out. And the last one, the last A, is attractive. And that comes back to value again. Is what you're delivering attractive to the person that you're making the sale to? And if it isn't, you need to have a look at it and say, am I really delivering value that this customer will find attractive?
So bottom line, if you look back on the Ernst & Young statistic, we take, what was it, 5 times as long to lose an order as win an order?
Yeah.
If something's happening along that, a lot of waste is occurring, and our productivity is going to go down.
Spend your time on opportunities that have got the greatest chance of success.
And if you haven't got those opportunities in your funnel, go find them. Don't waste time on the ones that you're not going to get.
Yeah.